Hello students, now today we are going to calculate the frequency of your Wien-Bridge oscillator. Okay, yesterday we have seen in our yesterday's class we have studied about the Wien-Bridge oscillator. So we have discussed that RC Wien-Bridge oscillator. So what is the definition of RC Wien-Bridge oscillator? A most commonly used RC oscillator in the variable audio frequency generator is nothing but Wien-Bridge oscillator. Okay, now then we went for the circuit diagram of your Wien-Bridge network principle. That circuit diagram already we have drawn yesterday. Okay, so once again I will tell you that circuit diagram consists of two resistors, upper arm, it consists of two arms, upper arm and lower arm. Upper arm consists of R1 and R2, R1 and C1 in series, and lower arm consists of R2 and C2 in parallel. Okay. Now, after this, what we said, this bridge network consists of two arms, upper arm series combination, lower arm parallel combination. Now, from this bridge network, today we are going to calculate the frequency of your Wien-Bridge oscillator. To calculate the frequency of Wien-Bridge oscillator, first you should tell that it consists of two arms, upper arm and lower arm. Upper arm contains the series combination of resistor and capacitor. Lower arm contains the parallel combination of resistor and capacitor. So now from the network we will take out the gain formula, output by input. Then from that gain formula easily we can find out the frequency formula for your Wien-Bridge oscillator. Okay. So now first what I have to do, I have to write the gain formula in this. Okay. From this, output by input is equals to impedance of parallel combination by total combination. Okay, what is the formula here? Impedance of parallel combination by total impedance of total combination you can write. Okay, from this network we wrote the gain formula, output by input. Okay, impedance of parallel combination by total impedance. This is the formula for your output divided by input, that is nothing but gain. Output by input is equals to impedance of parallel combination. Impedance means what? Because resistor is in a combination with capacitor. So we will take it as impedance. Okay. Then total impedance. Impedance means again what we have to do? We have to take out the values of resistor and capacitor and we have to make the formula for it. Okay, from this gain. So what is the impedance of parallel combination? Parallel and total impedance. Parallel means what? Parallel formula A into B by A plus B. This is parallel combination formula. Okay, for series what you will write? Simply A plus B. Okay, series simply you will write A plus B. Parallel you will write A into B by A plus B. Okay, you have to remember that. Now first, okay, what we have to do now? First, series means A plus B, parallel means A into B by A plus B. Now what is A here and what is B here? A is resistor, okay, B is capacitor. Okay, A is nothing but resistor and B is nothing but capacitor. So what you will write for resistor? See in the diagram, okay, it is in series and parallel. So what you will write? Parallel combination. Impedance of parallel combination means you will calculate for this, and total total impedance means what? Total impedance means A plus B plus total impedance, A into B by A plus B. This will be your formula for total impedance. Okay? And impedance of parallel combination means what? You will write A into B by A plus B. This will be like total divider. So this will be the formula for your voltage gain. Okay? Impedance of parallel combination means A into B by A plus B. Then total impedance means series and parallel. Both we have to include here. Okay? Series and parallel. Both the thing we have to include here. So first, I am rubbing this diagram so that I can write. You see here, this is series, this is parallel. Remember this. Okay? So now we will calculate what in this from the diagram, okay, from the diagram, previous diagram, what we will calculate now. See, output by input is equals to impedance of parallel combination okay by total combination, total impedance. From the network we have to write down this formula. Okay, after writing this formula, then what you will write, you have to see how you will write the parallel combination impedance. Means let us say A and B, A into B, A plus B. Here we will write divided by total impedance means A plus B series combination plus parallel combination. Total impedance means of both the arms. Parallel combination means what? A into B, A plus B. So this is your formula for series and parallel combination. Okay. Now, so total impedance here. Okay, total impedance here you are writing. This is the combination. Now, in your network what you have seen? You have seen resistor and capacitor in series and parallel. So here let us say A and B. What is A and what is B here? Okay, A is nothing but R. B is minus J by omega C. That means capacitor. Okay. B is nothing but capacitor. A is nothing but R. So what you will write here? Since A is R, simply you will write R because R reactance will be same. R. Okay. Impedance will be same R. B will be what? Impedance of B. B is what? Here capacitor. Capacitor means what? You will write capacitor means you will write minus J by omega C. Okay, capacitor means you will write minus J by omega C. Now, these two values you should remember. Now we will substitute in this formula. Okay, these two values we will substitute in this formula. Okay, now see here. Okay, see here what I am doing now. Okay, now A into B by A plus B, impedance of parallel combination by total impedance A plus B series with parallel combination. Now I am substituting the values. Okay, so what is A? I should substitute here. Okay, A into B, R into J by omega C. Okay, R plus minus j by omega c. This is the impedance of parallel combination over, because what is the formula? A into b, a plus b over these combinations. Okay, now we will come for down. In down, total impedance means first you should write series a plus b, a plus b. A is what here? R plus minus j by omega c. Then plus parallel combination I should write a into b by a plus b. Parallel. This is series. Parallel means again same formula I should write. R into minus j by omega c by R plus minus j by omega c. Okay. This is the formula for your impedance. Okay. Now, from this we will calculate the frequency. Okay. Now we got this. What we will do? Now we will solve it. Okay. Is equals to. Now this will come here. Okay. And what it will become? Minus j by omega c whole square plus r j by omega c by total this r plus j by omega c. Here also it will become same, r plus minus j by omega c. You can write or simply bracket you can write, or simply you can write your wish. Okay, simply we will write it as minus. Here also it will be minus. Okay, then whole thing this minus j by omega c. This cancel. Okay, this and this will be cancelled. Okay. So after cancelling, what you will get here? After cancelling, what you will get? Simply you will get this. See this formula. This and this is equals to j by omega c by minus j omega c whole square. Okay, you will get this whole square. Okay, minus j r by omega c. Multiplication now it is. Okay, minus j r by omega c. You will get this. See the formula, what you will get. You will get here minus j r by omega c by r minus j by omega c whole square minus j r by omega c. This you will get. Okay, by substituting the values. Now you got this gain formula. Okay, now you got this gain formula. What is this? E naught by Vi is equals to jr by omega c r minus j by omega c whole square jr by omega c. Okay, from this now you got two values of the formula. Okay, now gain value of your formula V naught by Vi equal to minus jr by omega c minus rj minus whole square minus jc. Okay, now again we should substitute it. Okay, what is this? A minus b whole square. A minus b whole square formula will be what? A square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so you should write this in a square minus 2ab plus b square formula. This you should expand it. So you should expand this. Okay, how you will expand? See here, a square minus 2ab plus b square. In this you should substitute the value. Okay, what is a? R. What is b? J omega c. B square. Okay. Now I am writing it. Okay. Minus J R by omega C. Up part same I will write. Now I will write this. A square R square minus 2AB. 2AB. AB means 2R J omega C. Okay. So 2AB. Okay. Plus B square J omega C whole square. Then plus minus that. This also remaining. This part. Okay. We have solved for this. This you will get. Okay. Now after getting this, what you have to do now? You have to write down J. Whole J square will be what? 1. Okay. It will be like plus 1. Okay. It will be like this. Okay. Minus 1. Plus. So 1 minus 1 it will be like minus means it. So what you will get now? R square minus this and this will get plus. Okay. So here what you will get now, square means 1 by omega square C square. Then you can write here minus or plus. You can write minus because minus into minus plus. 3R by 3RJ by omega C. 3. This is 1, 2, 3 plus. Okay, you will get this. So R square minus 1 by omega square C square minus, you will get minus 3RJ omega C. What is 3RJ omega C? 3RJ omega C is nothing but we are getting plus. Okay. R square 1 by omega square C square minus omega 3JR by omega C. You can write it as this equation. Down part. Upper part will be same. JR minus JR by omega C. Okay, so this is the equation 3. Equation 1 already we wrote in the V naught by V1 and then substituting. Sorry, this is equation 1. Okay, so now we got final formula of this output by input gain. Okay, once again I am writing what is the final formula. V naught by Vi equal to minus JR by omega C by R square minus 1 by omega square C square minus 3RJ by omega C. This is your final formula, equation 1 of your gain. Okay, equation 1 of your gain. So from this formula what you will do? Now from this formula you have to calculate the very important thing, that is nothing but frequency. You have to calculate the frequency from this formula. So for calculating frequency from equation 1 you have to equate the real terms and then you have to equate the imaginary terms. From imaginary terms, now from this formula we will get two things. Okay, the terms which contain J is known as imaginary. Okay, the terms which contains J is known as imaginary terms and the terms which is not having J is known as real terms. Okay, so from real terms you will calculate the frequency and from the imaginary terms you will calculate the sustained oscillation condition. Means what is the condition of sustained oscillator? Means at what point you are getting whole sine wave. What is the value in Windbridge oscillator that you are getting sine wave? So that is nothing but 360 degrees. So which value you will get? So that you can calculate at imaginary terms, and the values which you are equating for real terms are, from there you can calculate what? You can calculate the frequency. Remember this. From real terms you can calculate the frequency, and from imaginary terms you can calculate the gain. Remember this. Okay. Now from here we will write from equation 1 equating real terms. Real terms are this part. Okay, not j terms, only real terms. R square by omega square c square. Okay, you can calculate this. You can equate is equals to, equating means what? Putting it 0. Now from this you want omega value. Take it out, omega. What you will get here? Omega we will bring here. What you will get omega value now? You will get omega value as omega square as RC. R square C square. Okay. So omega can be written as 1 by root R square C square. Root and square cancel. You will get what? Omega as 1 by RC. Okay. This is the value for omega. Now what is the frequency formula? F equal to 1 by omega by 2 pi. Substitute this. 1 by 2 pi RC is the frequency formula for your Wiens bridge. Okay. 1 by 2 pi is the frequency formula of your Wiens bridge. So finally we got the frequency formula of your Wiens bridge. Now from this equation 1 we are equating imaginary terms. First real terms means without j, r square 1 by omega c equal to 0. From this omega we will take out. Then omega value we got 1 by RC. Then we will substitute it in frequency formula. Okay. Frequency of Wiens bridge is nothing but 1 by 2 pi RC. This is frequency formula. Now we will calculate for sustained oscillations. So which point you will get sustained? Okay. Now I will get operate only this j terms, equating imaginary term. Imaginary terms. Now I am equating what? Imaginary terms. Okay, imaginary terms. This and this is equals to, where j terms are known as imaginary terms, by 3rj by omega c. Okay, minus cancels, rj cancel, omega cancel. You will get what? If it is equals to 0 means what you will get? 1 by 3. Okay. So gain formula for this is nothing but, from this we will not equate to 0. We will equate only real terms to 0. Here we will write output by input is equals to, from gain we will calculate the sustained oscillation condition. Whatever is remaining, this we will cut it and we will get what? V naught by Vi is equals to 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is the condition for sustained oscillation of Wiens bridge oscillator. Finally at 1 by 3 you will be getting the sine wave, that means 360 degrees. Now next class we will be discussing, we will be taking this network and we are connecting it to one circuit, and we will see whether it will generate the output in the form of sine wave and how it will generate. We will see the operation of the circuit, okay, in our next class. Okay. So finally from this circuit principle of Wiens bridge network we have calculated the gain, we have calculated the frequency with real terms, and imaginary terms means j terms. From j terms we have calculated the That means from the gain formula we have calculated the sustained oscillation value, that is 1 by 3. At 1 by 3 we are getting output in the form of sine wave. So in our next class we will be dealing with our next video or next lecture. I will be dealing with the operation of Wien-Bridge oscillator circuit, circuit description and operation of Wien-Bridge oscillator. By taking this network and connecting it to feedback, and we will see how it will work. Okay, so in next class we will be studying the operation and circuit description of Wien-Bridge oscillator. Thank you.